Hi there. Is your welding equipment validated? You may want to know. What is validation? Validation is the procedure of demonstrating that the equipment conforms to the operating specification. Just like sending your equipment for a medical checkup, if you want to guarantee that the quality of your welding equipment is up to scratch in the long term, you'll need to validate them on a regular basis. We need validation to maintain welding equipment for peak performance, also always to ensure welding quality, productivity and safety. To ensure your welding machine can meet the necessary standards for accuracy settings stated from the WPS or quality process control set by machine's manufacturer. To reduce inconsistency welding quality with undercounted variable machine condition giving different output setting results. At the same time, to ensure all the components such as touch cables panels are in acceptable and safer working conditions. Validated assurance for better control and reducing welding defects by the welding machine, which also helps production to save time, cost and increases productivity. Complete standardized documentation process for quality management requirements such as ISO and EN standards. QC department for traceability and calibrated in a systematic manner will be provided. Most importantly, validation shall meet CN 50504, IEC 60974-14 international validation standards. All testing instruments conforms with national quality calibration standards. Do you want to know more? Wait no more. Call us now. And we are ready for your inquiries.